This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video we'll be seeing how you can add an announcement bar, a pop-up notifications onto your WooCommerce store. So when you have a sale coming up or you want to get some pop-up notifications like email newsletter or sidebars, etc., we have a plugin that you can use to create all of this. So here you will be able to see a mega winter sale notification bar or announcement bar is right here. And also let me just refresh you and show you there is a pop-up notification that says the same. So you can create this onto your website, and let's see how this is done. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe as we come up with videos on WordPress and WooCommerce every now and then to get your website performance up and down. So we're going to go to our dashboard and install a plugin. So we're going to go to the plugin section and add new. So we're going to add a plugin, and the plugin will be called Icegram. So I'm going to search for the plugin. So here is the plugin that we're going to use. So this consists of a pop-ups, welcome bar, opt-ins, lead generation plugin. So this has all of the basic features, all of the bar, notification bar, sales notification, everything is included in this with a preview. So you don't have to create a new one. You can just use the plugin that you already have, the designs you already have, and it's easy, very easy to set it up as well. So you'll be taken into this page right here. So it has like various things like action bar, toast notification, messengers, pop-ups, etc. So here we need to create new campaigns and add them. So if we just go to the campaign section, you'll be able to see different campaigns that you have created for your website. So here all of them will be listed. So to create a campaign, you can just click on to add new campaign right here, and all of the designs will be listed down here. So these are the templates that's already pre-given by the website, and you can choose whichever you want and customize it accordingly. So there are options of action bar, messengers, pop-ups. Let me just click it. Okay, so these are the pop-ups, these are the inlines, these are the toast button, toast things. So these are like simple images that will pop up. Then we have ribbons that's given in the website on different parts. Then we have badge, so you can change the color, you can change the text, everything. So there are overlays, sidebars, and everything. So these are some very useful thing. So if you want to upgrade it, you can upgrade it to unlock this unlock this. So here we can see there are use cases as well. So access, opt-in, social, yes, no, welcome, mat, Halloween, Black Friday, etc. So if I just click on to Black Friday, these are the options that I have. Then here you will be able to see the plans that you have, and you can also create custom ones by default, and you can edit it however you want. So we also have the messages right here. So there are some basic templates that's given, a simple one. So you can edit this accordingly and customize it for yours. So we have different things right there. Now we're going to go to the campaign section, and we already have a copy of the first campaign. So we're going to create a new custom one. So I'm going to edit this first campaign right here, and let me edit this name. So this will be winter sale. So this title would be only visible to you, and let me place a 50% off. Okay, so we have the campaign name ready. So here you have the different messages. So you can write the messages whichever you want, like what kind of new message that you want, you can do that. Then we have the action bar. So this is the action bar that's going to come to your website. So this will be again winter sale. This is also won't be seen anywhere. So this is the main headline. So this is the headline that's going to show. I'm going to give mega winter sale, And here I'm going to give a message body that will be given in a short, in a small letter, small case. So main headline would be this one, and the message body will be smaller than the other one. Here we have multiple other options as well. We have like after how many seconds that you want to change it. So you can change that. And here you can choose which anime if you want any animations or appear or slide or how you want, you can do that. So I'm going with the no animation. And if there is any form attached with this, so if you want to add like a newsletter or something like that, you can choose to opt this. Then there's a call to action. For me, it's shop now. So that's the call to action. And here we have an open link kind of thing that will be available, and you can choose to open it in the new tab. So this is for the premium one, and we have the target link right here. So I'm going to choose my store address right here, and let me give it shop. So whoever clicks onto the shop now button that's associated with that notification bar will be taken into the shop page. So here we have the color, so you can choose whichever color that you want. I'm going to go with the theme default colors. So if you want any other colors, you can customize it later on as well. So you can also use custom code, any CSS or JavaScript that you know, that you can also use it. And we have some other display rules that will be given as well. So you can choose where you want to show the notification bar. I'm going to choose for the home page only. And if you want any selected pages, you can choose the pages, which pages that you want, you can choose the pages. And any specific URLs, you can give that. Also, when do you want to show your notification bar? You can choose to do it always, or you can schedule it to particular time. And the device, which device that you want to show in. If you don't want tablet or mobile or a PC, you can do that. Also, who do you want to target the audience? So it's for only logged in users or non-logged in users, you can choose that. So I'm going to go for the not logged in users, or maybe I'll go with the all users only. And this is another feature that Icegram is giving, which is retargeting. So if a person has already seen a notification and if you don't want to choose, show them again, you can choose that. So once shown, do not show this campaign again for like never, current section, today, or 1 week. So you can choose that whichever time that you want, you can choose that. So I'm going to give the current section. And you can also choose if they have already click that button. Maybe if it's like a newsletter, if they have already signed in, you don't want to show them again and again, right? So you can click onto that, and we are good to go. So I'm going to save it. So you can just preview it right here. You can click onto the campaign preview. So here you will be able to see the mega winter sale that's showing right there. So this is how it looks like. So if I go to my main website as well, you can see that this is also appearing in the homepage. Do not mind this taskbar. This won't be showing to your customers definitely. So we have you can just update this and save the campaign, and your campaign will be previewed, and you can see the winter sale or whichever that you already have. So next we're going to see how you can show a pop-up. So we're going to go back to our website, to our dashboard, and you can click onto the add new campaign. And here let's go to the pop-up, and you can choose whichever that you want for your website, whichever choose your website. I think this will go with my website, and I'm going to use this. You can click on to use this, and there is a new editing that's already there. So here these are the text that's available. So I don't want this text. I'll change it as winter sale. So I've edited this page. So here I'm just going to view the campaign. And here you can see that winter sale, grab your favorites, 50% off. The pop-up is now available. So you can again choose how you want to show it. So maybe show after 1 second, or how do you want to customize it. So you can change the color from here. So whichever colors that you want for your thing, you can choose, select the colors. And also you can choose how you can you need to close it and open it. All of those you can edit it completely on your thing. So I'm going to publish this, and upon publishing, let me go back to my website again. And here, this is the grab winter options that's available. And when I click on to close, you can see that the pop-up is again available. So this is how you can show your customers a pop-up notification, or a notification bar, or an announcement bar, anything onto your WordPress WooCommerce website. So this is a very simple plugin, and you can customize it however you want. It's very basic and simple. So I hope this video helped you in creating sales and driving customers. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.